If you're building or renovating near saltwater, some of the most common materials in a standard build will quietly fail years before they should. Here are 5 of them, and what to use instead. Number 1. Standard steel fasteners. Ordinary screws and nails corrode fast in salt air, and as they rust, they stain and weaken everything around them. Coastal codes generally call for stainless steel or hot-dip galvanized fasteners instead. Number 2. Standard concrete mixes. Chloride from salt air and sea spray can work its way into concrete over time and corrode the rebar inside it, which expands and cracks the concrete from within. Coastal builds typically need a denser mix, with corrosion-inhibiting additives and thicker rebar cover. Number 3. Uncoated aluminum HVAC coils. The thin aluminum fins on a standard condenser corrode faster in salt air, cutting the unit's lifespan. Manufacturers generally recommend a factory-coated coastal condenser within a mile or 2 of open water. Number 4. Untreated or interior-grade wood. Humidity plus salt accelerates rot far faster than an inland climate would. Anything exposed outdoors near the coast should be marine-grade treated lumber, not standard framing stock. Number 5. Standard-grade sealants and caulking. Regular caulk breaks down faster under constant UV and salt exposure, and once a seal fails, water gets behind the siding and stays there. Marine-grade or coastal-rated sealants cost more, but they're rated for exactly this kind of exposure. None of these mistakes are visible on day one. They show up years later as repair bills. Spending slightly more on the right rated material up front is almost always cheaper than replacing it after the ocean gets to it.